Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the structure. The compound has AC is equal to C double bond. The left sp2 carbon bears a Cl substituent and a CH3 group. The right sp2 carbon bears a CH to CH3 ethyl group and an I substituent. Step 2. Number the chain. The longest carbon chain that includes the double bond is CH3 C Cl is equal to C I CH2 CH3, which is a 5-carbon chain, pentene. Numbering from the end that gives the double bond the lowest locant, C1 is equal to CH3, C2 is equal to C Cl, C3 is equal to C I, C4 is equal to CH2, C5 is equal to CH3. The double bond is between C2 and C3, so this is pent-2Na. Substituents: Cl at C2I at C3-2-chloro-3-iodo-2-pentene. Step 3. Assign Ci strands, geometric isomerism. On C2, the two groups are CH3 and Cl. On C3, the two groups are I and CH to CH3. For Ci strands nomenclature, compare the higher priority or simply the identical type groups. Using the older Ci strands convention on the main chain carbons, the CH3 part of the main chain on C2 side and the CH to CH3 part of the main chain on C3 side are on opposite sides of the double bond, trans to each other, because Cl is on the same side as CH to CH3 and I is on the same side as CH3. Examining the structure, Cl is above left and CH to CH3 is above right, same side, while CH3 is below left and I is below right, same side. Therefore, the two chain carbons, CH3 at C2 end and CH to CH3 at C3 end, are on opposite sides. Trans configuration. Step 4. Full name: trans-2-chloro-3-iodo-2-pentene. Step 5. Why other options fail? B. cis-2-chloro-3-iodo-2-pentene, wrong stereode descriptor. C. trans-3-iodo-4-chloro-3-pentene, wrong numbering, double bond gets higher locant 3 instead of 2. D. cis-3-iodo-4-chloro-3-pentene, wrong numbering and wrong stereode descriptor. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.